2019 Toyota 4Runner V6. What we got done on it for you gentlemen and ladies today is still got stock converters there and there. It's got a total of 4. Then we took off the regular stock muffler, we took off the tailpipe and put a Black Widow muffler. It is race venom, Black Widow race venom. So if you guys want it, you'll see the link in the description for it. Again, it's a Black Widow race venom 2.5 inch inlet, 2.5 inch outlet offset center. There it is. And we did a turn down on it. He didn't want to see it. He wanted it hidden. So we said, okay, we can hide it for you. That's how you hide them. You tuck them in and you do a turn down on it. Let you guys hear it in a second. Go ahead. It's not really loud. It's deep. It's more deep than loud. Race venoms always sound really good on these. I don't know, almost anything we put them on. That's around 2,800 RPM. I'm gonna let you guys hear the sound decibels. Go ahead. About 85. It's more deepness than throaty. There's the muffler and tailpipe we cut off of it. It's not that loud. I thought it'd be louder. Wow. You know what it is? It's those 4 cats. It's got 4 catalytic converters on it. They're huge.
Okay.
Go ahead. Let you guys hear on the inside.